Bill, I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the garage, and welcome to a video I've been wanting to do ever since we picked up the 2021 Ducati V2. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and ring that bell notification because, well, we've got a 2021 Ducati V2. We have a 2016 XR, we have a Streetfighter back there, we have an HP2 Sport, and we have the all-new 2022 BMW S1000R. But today's video has been 2,500 miles in the making. Ever since we bought this bike, I've been curious about the Streetfighter wheels possibly being able to fit on the V2. Now, we started doing some research about carbon fiber wheels. You know that my Ducati Streetfighter back there has carbon fiber wheels. They are the BST Rapid Tech wheels. They are a 6-inch rear rim. Now, the V2 comes with the 5.5-inch stock cast rear wheel. But if you start to do some research, you'll notice that the V2 carbon fiber wheels are the same exact wheels as the Streetfighter. So why shouldn't my Streetfighter forged wheels fit onto the V2? So today we are about to see if these work. Now, I will tell you, I've got both sets of wheels here, and both of them have tires on them. They're brand new and everything. We're gonna weigh them, and then we're gonna get the new set of forged wheels on there and see how they look, and have Bogdan out on a ride and see if she enjoys them. So let's get this thing up on the tripod. Let's get these wheels weighed, and then let's talk about the benefits of what we're doing with these wheels. All right, so we've got the scale set up, and I want to explain to you guys how we're going to present these wheels onto the scale, because I wanted to make this as fair as possible. And there's not a better way to do that than to make sure that both sets of tires, both sets of wheels can be mounted on this bike right now with both brand new tires. That's right, both the sets of rims, the old red cast wheels and the new black forged wheels, both have a new set of tires. Now, the front tire is a standard 120, they're exactly the same. The front rotors from the red cast wheels are the rotors from the V2. The rotors from the Ducati Streetfighter are the Streetfighter wheels. Now, they both fit up and it both mocks up perfectly fine. So we're going to be weighing the front wheels with the rotors on there. The only difference is, I think right now, the ABS ring is on the red wheel, which we'll swap it over, but that only accounts for a small, minute amount. Now, the rear wheels are mounted up with two different tires. The red cast wheel has a 180/55 rear tire, and the black forged, because it's a slightly wider wheel, we've put a 190/55 on the rear. And actually what's crazy is how much height difference is between the two. I'll show you in a second, but I want to weigh these wheels. And again, we have a 180/55 brand new Michelin Power GPs in the 180s and the RSs in the 190s. So they're virtually the same exact. So first, let's go ahead and grab our red cast wheel and get it onto the scale and get a reading. So our red cast wheel is 23 pounds 4 ounces. That's right, 23 pounds 4 ounces with a Power GP 180/55 on the cast wheels. Now, I can already feel that these are much lighter. So the forged wheels with the 190/55, 20 pounds 12 ounces. All right, so that's over 2.5 pounds of weight savings on the rear wheel. Now remember, we've got a red 5.5-inch cast wheel, and we're doing a 180/55 on the tire, and a 6-inch forged wheel, so a bigger wheel with a bigger tire, saving almost 2.5 pounds. That's pretty astounding. So this is what we will be mounting onto the rear. of the V2. And let's go ahead and move on to the front. Now the front, let's again go with the cast. So tires are exactly the same. The only difference, you can see that's got the ABS ring on it. I've got to dismount it and put it on the other one. So this one, we're going to go ahead and get on here. And now front wheels are typically always heavier, especially on the Ducatis, because we've got the rotors on there. So 24 pounds, 10 ounces. 24 pounds, 10 ounces is the weight of the cast wheels with the stock rotors in a brand new Power GP 120/70/17 front tire on here. Let's go ahead and move to the cast wheels. And the cast wheel is 22 pounds, 10 ounces. Almost 2 more pounds in the front. We are shedding over 4.5 pounds by simply changing from a cast wheel to a forged wheel with a larger rear wheel and a larger rear tire. So that's pretty exciting. I actually wasn't sure how much weight we would be shedding from cast to forged. Now I will tell you the reason why we're doing it this way and we're not going straight into carbon fiber is, well, I've got these and these don't cost us anything. And the carbon fiber, to go from the cast wheel or the forged wheels to the carbon fiber wheels, we didn't save that much weight. I think the rear was only maybe a pound, maybe a half a pound, and I think the front was like a pound. So we're getting more weight savings here, almost 5 pounds, 4.5 pounds we've saved just by simply changing the wheels to the forged wheels. So let's go ahead and get them mounted up. Let's wheel this thing outside, take a look at it. Now, of course, we've had a little bit of controversy with everyone saying they really, really love the red wheels, but they really, really love the benefit of the forged and the lighter weight wheels. So, well, we're gonna be rocking the all-new V2 with black forged wheels. So let's get everything mounted up and see how it looks, and let's get it out for a quick little rip and see how it handles. All right, real quick, I want to show you guys the differences between the tires. Now, 190/55 over on the new forged wheels, 180/55 on the red cast wheels. So width-wise, you can see that there's a little bit difference width-wise from the 190 obviously to the 180, but remember that you also gain some height differences. Now, one of our concerns was that this was not going to be as peaky as this. So if you look here, you're going to see that the 190 tire actually is much taller than the 180/55, and it's 190/55. So suspension is going to have to be adjusted after we get these mounted to account for the height difference between this tire and the 180 tire. Well, there we have it, the 2021 Ducati Panigale V2 with the V4 forged wheels installed with the slightly larger rear, and it's just, I feel like it's definitely transformed the bike. Look at the size of the meat in the rear. Oh my goodness, it is a fatty back here, but I think we have a problem with the black. And I'm not sure if the problem is that the wheels need to be black or if the red accents need to be black. So let me know in the comment section down below, what do? Do we paint the wheels red, or do we black out the red accents and go into the gloss black? Let me know in the comments down below. But pretty much a direct swap, pretty much a direct fit. If you guys are interested, now these are just standard Ducati V4 Marchesini forged wheels. There's nothing special about these. Now you guys can find these sometimes on the internet for $2,000-$3,000. They're a little bit more than standard forged wheels, but they are Ducati correct. Carbon wheels, they're gonna run you $4,000. So I think it's a good alternative. I think we shed enough weight off here, almost 4.5 pounds, and we got a slightly larger, taller tire, so it should be good. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for sticking around. Do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, and ring the bell notification. But until next time, we'll see you then. Bye guys.